I don't know what to do. I let our follow-up tactics slip, and now our customers have chosen to do their business elsewhere with our competitor. Now that we have this new model of ear protectors, I want to sell them to this company and help them out. What suggestions can you give me to regain their business?
Well, Ron, I would suggest 3 simple things that you can do to regain their business. Step number 1, I would show them your human side. I would let them know that it was definitely a mistake on your part, and let them understand how you are trying your best to serve them, but that you are still human, and as a human you can only do the best that you can do. And but as that brings me to my second point, which is also that as a human you are able to improve and get better, and this is a learning experience for you to get better in your customer follow-up skills. And let them know on how you intend on improving by showing them new products that your company has released. By showing them new products, you can show that not only you as the salesperson, but also as the customer, you as the customer service representative can help them achieve their full potential. I would also show them that you're interested in their business and how much they're doing. I would maybe use a little bit of flattery and say, I noticed that your business is doing very well, and I want you to continue. And when you find out the news that they're going with this new person, this new company, just let them know that you're excited for them no matter what, and you're willing to offer any products that they might need in the future, and definitely give them a new catalog of all the products you have. I would also urge you not to be pushy. Do not be pushy and say, I thought we had something special, and go into that offended phase. Really make them know that you are saddened that they went with the new customer, but you still are happy for them that they're doing well and that they could go with that other customer. And my last little piece of advice, I would let them know how much you truly appreciate them as people. Just as you are appealing, as they will appeal to your personable side, appreciate them as people. Appreciate their dog, their wife, tell them how much you know about them and how the relationship that you guys had, and that will help them know that you truly care about them as people, rather than just someone you sold something to and someone that you forgot, that you truly remember them. This often works in many different sales settings, and I know that it can work for you. So my question for you is, how much are you willing to put yourself on the line and show your human side to these clients?